Responsibilities. Condition of premises and alterations. Delivery and condition. Tenant agrees that no representation as to the condition of the premises has been made and no promise made to decorate, alter, repair, or improve the premises unless otherwise specified in writing at time of application and written approval by the owner. Should owner be unable to deliver the premises to the tenant as agreed through no fault of the owner, then neither owner nor agent shall be liable for any resulting damages, nor shall this lease terminate. However, tenant shall not be liable for any rent until the premises are available for tenant to take possession. Possession constitutes signing of the lease documents, paying all appropriate charges, and receiving a key to the property from management. The property is rented in as-is condition. Either party may terminate this lease if owner fails to deliver the premises within 10 days of the start date of this lease. Tenant acknowledges that the premises are in the fit and habitable condition, including all required working smoke detectors, except for such items that shall be reported by tenant to agent in writing within 5 days of occupancy. Damages not so noted may be charged to tenants at termination. In the event visual smoke detectors are needed for the property in accordance with the Virginia law, tenants must request them in writing to landlord on or before the lease commencement. Non-compliance with this section constitutes a material breach of the lease agreement.